Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
In today's video, we are going to repair this 43-inch LG 4K LED TV that came to our workshop with a display panel fault. The TV powers on normally, the backlight is working, and sound is also present, but the display is either blank, flickering, or showing distorted graphics due to an internal panel issue. As we have discussed in many of our previous videos, most modern LED TVs with these symptoms usually have a fault inside the LCD display panel, especially in the gate driver or source driver circuits attached to the glass panel. Today, instead of replacing the expensive display panel, we are going to repair it using the taping method, which is a widely used troubleshooting technique for identifying and isolating defective panel driver signals. So, let's begin the repair. First, we carefully remove the back cover of the TV and disconnect the power supply. Safety is very important, so always make sure the TV is unplugged before working on it. Next, we remove the bezel carefully to access the display panel and the T-con ribbon connections. Now you can see the two flat ribbon cables connecting the panel to the T-con section. Since this is a 4K LG panel, both ribbon cables are responsible for transferring high-speed image data to the display. Before proceeding further, we inspect the ribbon cables for any physical damage, dust, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appears normal, so we continue with the diagnosis. Now comes the most important part of this repair. To identify which side of the panel is faulty, we disconnect one ribbon cable and power on the TV. By testing each side individually, we can determine whether the left side or the right side of the panel contains the defective gate driver circuit. After our testing, we identified the faulty side of the panel. Now we prepare a small piece of transparent adhesive tape. Using this tape, we carefully cover only the specific signal lines on the ribbon cable that are causing the display fault. This blocks the defective gate signals while allowing the remaining signals to operate normally. This process requires patience and precision because covering the wrong pins can result in a blank display or additional picture defects. After applying the tape, we reconnect the ribbon cable securely and power on the TV once again. And as you can see, the display has now returned successfully. The flickering, blank screen, or distorted picture has disappeared, and the image is now stable across the entire screen. We allow the TV to run for several minutes to ensure that the repair is stable and there are no overheating issues or recurring display faults. This confirms that the panel defect has been successfully isolated using the taping method.
However, you may notice a thin horizontal line at the bottom of the display. This is because the blocked gate signal also controls a small portion of the panel. Since those defective gate signals have been isolated to restore the main picture, a single horizontal line remains at the bottom of the screen. In practical situations, this is considered a successful panel recovery, especially when the alternative would be replacing the entire display panel, which is often very expensive or unavailable. The remaining horizontal line has minimal impact on normal viewing, while the rest of the screen functions perfectly. Please remember that this method is not a permanent repair for every panel fault. It is a practical solution that works only when the defect is caused by specific gate driver signal lines. Every display panel behaves differently, so proper diagnosis and experience are essential before attempting this repair. If performed incorrectly, the display panel may become completely unusable. Finally, we reassemble the TV, tighten all screws, and perform one final picture quality test. The TV is now working perfectly and is ready for delivery to the customer. If you found this repair helpful and learned something new today, please support our channel by clicking the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to ElectroPixels for more LED TV repair tutorials, panel repair techniques, circuit-level troubleshooting, and electronics projects. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming repair videos. Thank you for watching. This is ElectroPixels signing off. See you in the next video.